Y'all, Bridget Bartlett here with my Vision Agency, and today I'm going to show you how to create digital assets and AI avatars inside of your white label AI ads manager that is available inside of our reseller program. So I'm going to go ahead and play this short video for you so that you can see what this AI avatar looks like. You can use this to create ads for TikTok and YouTube and all of the other channels that we can advertise on inside of our AI ads manager. So let's go ahead and play this video. I did not do any editing. All I did was choose the images and the avatar. It even created the script for me. So I'm going to play this for you, and then I'm going to show you how to create this yourself.
Are you wondering why every entrepreneur should join our software reseller program? Here's why. First, it leverages cutting-edge AI to automate tasks, drastically saving time. Second, it reduces operational costs, putting money back into your business. Third, it scales with you, supporting growth effortlessly. Join now and start optimizing your business efficiently.
That video could have been a lot better, but that was literally the first one that I created. So I just wanted to show you how it all works. Of course, you can choose better images, a better AI avatar if you want to, but let's actually just dive in, and I want to show you how to create this. Now, if you go into your AI Ads Manager in the brand context, you'll see here that you do want to add your own brand info. So you want to add the link to your website, and it's going to pull in the product description and service from your website here. We're also going to add the brand name, so your business, the industry, your business phone number, the language, and even your location. Of course, you want to save that. You'll move on to the look and feel. This is how it's going to know what your brand colors are. So we're going to choose the primary color and secondary color and the font as well. You also want to choose your brand voice. So you can see I've chosen professional and trustworthy here. And then here you get to the media section. You'll see that there are two different options here. We have the image and we have the video. If you click here, you'll see that you can upload the different media. So I have my logo that's been uploaded here. You can also see if you click here, you can choose from any of the images that you have in your account. You can also click here to open the Design Studio. When you do that, you'll see that there are images here from Shutterstock. If you want to use, you can add different elements here. You can upload images that you can create your ads with or your social media posts, and you can edit them here. You also can choose images and text and different shapes and stickers. This is basically like Canva inside of your ads account. Now, the next thing we have here is the images with AI. So you can see all of these images were actually created by the AI just using my logo that was uploaded here. You can see they're all different sizes. It's choosing green living because it actually created it before I added my brand context. And then to select these images, you just simply click to select them and it adds it down here. And then you'll have these images to use in your ad content. If you want to delete them, you could just simply click delete here. You can also change the size that you're looking for here, or you can select all of them. You also have the ability to search media from Shutterstock. So you can choose square or landscape. If we wanted to choose business owner, enter. You can see now all of the business owner images, and you will see the Shutterstock watermark here. That will be removed once you start using the image. You can also switch to the square images here and search, and then you'll only see the square images available. Now here you can actually create memes for your business. So let's say business owner again, enter. And you can see there is a daily limit of 3 on here, so you can generate 3 memes per day. And if we want to expand these, you can see when no one bought your product, but your tax refund comes in. Small business owner successfully changing the Wi-Fi password. These are actually pretty funny. When you finally get enough customers to break even, but not so many that there's chaos everywhere. I love these. Okay, so you can create these really easily and use them in your content. These are also great to run ads to because they're entertaining. So that's something that you want to maybe consider. You also have the ability to search images from the website. So you'll see it pulls in my website here. If I change this to my high-level affiliate link and search, you'll see now it's bringing in different images. And these are actually videos. So it's creating images from the videos that I can use in my content. You can also choose to generate images with AI. You can choose square, vertical, or landscape. So you'll see an example here, a small curious kitten playing with a brightly colored ball of yarn. Let's actually type in here a busy woman, business owner who is trying to answer the phone and help a customer at the register at the same time and generate. You definitely do want to be as specific as possible when you're creating images with any AI software because it will give you a more specific image. Like you can see here, this is the busy entrepreneur. She's got multiple phones to her ear. That's actually really funny. But you get the point here. That's how you want to create that. And of course, if you wanted to select this and use it in your images here, all you have to do is click it. If you want to remove it, you just click the little trash can there. If you wanted to download the image, you just click this little download arrow. And then you can even edit the image here. So you could add different elements here. You could upload other images to maybe do overlays. Lots of things that you can do now that you've generated the image to customize it and get the exact look that you're going for without having to leave the software and use other tools. And then you also have your different creative assets found here. So these are all the options for the images, and you'll see when you click here, it opens up this window, and these are all of the same options available here. So if we go over to the video option now and we click here, you'll see same thing. We can upload our videos here. We can also choose from any of the suggested media that it gives us. And then we can open the design studio here as well. And when you click there, you'll see that it opens up the editor, and you will see also that you can create videos here as well. So it's not just images that are being pulled in by Shutterstock, it's also the videos. And you do have a video editor down here. You can add the different elements and audio and images and text and all of those things to really customize the look and feel of your video. You also have this option here to generate videos with AI, and you can choose the different sizes here that you're looking for. And these were actually automatically created. Of course, the only image I gave was my logo, so the videos do look a little bit lame, but that's because I only gave it one image. So it actually did a pretty good job considering that. You also have the option here, again, to search for media, and this is for video specifically. So let's look for business owner again. And now you can see all of the different videos of the business owners. And of course, if you wanted to check this out, you can actually just click that little image icon there, and then you can play the video and see what it looks like there. Now here is where you want to generate your AI avatar. So you do see that there is a daily limit of 3 per day. I've already generated this one here in this account. So I'm going to go ahead and click here to create a new video. Now we want to give the video the brand info. So you can see the example, New Year Party Organizer. We want to tell it, what are we actually trying to talk about here in this video? So let's say save time and money with automation and AI. Now, what's the brand description? So how do we do this? How do we help them save time and money with automation and AI? Let's say our software reseller program helps business owners automate their processes using our software and AI. And we have our website here. You can keep this as your main website. It will always default to whatever is in the brand context. But let's say that in this example, I want to promote my high-level affiliate link. So I'm going to choose high level. www.myvisionagency.com. I can upload my logo here, and then I can choose my language that I want this to be in. I'm going to go ahead and click next. Now I want to add 5 images. So if I click this little plus sign, you can see that it opens up my menu, and I can choose any of the images I've either created or I have uploaded myself. So if I wanted to choose those uploaded, you can see this is the one that I created. Let's just go ahead and choose that one. And maybe we want to choose something here that was already created. Maybe we want to choose one of these memes. Let's just use this for fun. And let's say we're going to choose the vertical version. And of course, you want to be more thoughtful with this when you're selecting your videos. I just really want to show you the functionality of this so that you can see how it all pulls together. Let's go here and let's say that we want to, let's actually go here. Let's choose a landscape video and let's say business owner looking frustrated in front of a pile of paperwork. Generate. And of course, when you're creating your images, you want to be thoughtful as well. What type of ad or video do you want to create? Is this for TikTok? Because you would want to use the vertical. If it's for maybe Instagram and it's a post, then you would want to choose square. So be thoughtful of that when you're creating these. So there's our image there. Let's go ahead and select that. And let's choose some other images so that we can just get our 5 here. So we're going to search business owner again, just to be consistent. And we'll choose this one and let's choose this one. All right, so now we've chosen our 5 images here. Let's go ahead and choose our 3 videos. It says you can choose up to 3. And let's go here to search Shutterstock videos. Let's search business owner again. And we'll just select 1, 2, 3. And close out. And now we want to choose the aspect ratio. So what type of video are we creating? The 9.6, that's the vertical. It's more for, like I was saying, TikTok or YouTube Shorts or Facebook Reels. You might want to choose the 16.9. That would be like a normal YouTube video. And then the 1:1 would be like an Instagram post. So let's just choose this option here, like we're creating a TikTok or a YouTube short, and we want to choose the duration. So how long is the video? And this is something that you want to be mindful about too. What platform you're posting this on will really determine how long you want this to be. So let's say 30 seconds is fine. And then we can choose, do we want to show captions or not, by simply toggling that on. And then we could even choose the visual style. So if we click here, you can see the different styles that are available here. Let's say that we want to choose this one.
Have you ever stumbled upon something so perfect? It almost feels like destiny. That's exactly what happened.
So you'll see that it slides in there like that. If you want to look at this one.
Imagine stumbling upon a hidden gem in the heart of San Francisco. That's the daily reality at SF Homes, where we
also have this option here.
Imagine stumbling upon a secret pathway in the heart of San Francisco, leading you home.
And I actually really like this one where it shows the person down here and then you have the green screen effect.
Imagine stumbling upon a hidden gem in the heart of San Francisco. That's SF Homes for you.
So let's go ahead and choose this one. And done. And then now we want to choose our target audience. We'll just say entrepreneurs is fine and click next. So now we want to choose the script for our video that we're creating. We can type in a suggestion here, and you can also see the different suggestions that have already been created. We could even use our own script here if we wanted to. Let's go ahead and type in the exact description of the video script that we want to create. Create a high-level free trial and get a free membership in our My Vision Agency reseller program. And I'm going to click Generate. Now it's generated the script from our description here. We have a response bubble. So how does your software reseller program actually help business owners save time and money? That's the question that we're answering. Absolutely. Great question. Our program equips entrepreneurs with cutting edge software and AI tools designed to optimize and automate routine tasks. We have a story time here. Hey everyone, I want to share something that truly changed how I manage my business after integrating this amazing software. Don't worry. Ever felt overwhelmed managing every tiny detail of your business? We have one for Gen Z. Yo, business mavens. Ever felt swamped with tedious tasks that gobble up your time? And then we have motivational here. So let's choose this one because I think that's funny and click next. So now we have our different avatars that we can choose from. And you saw the one that I chose before where she's sitting on the couch. I think it was this one. Yeah. So you saw the result that this one got. And I actually was thinking we should choose another one. So maybe this person here, and we'll create the video. Okay, so now our video has been generated. Let's check it out.
Yo, business mavens, ever felt swamped with tedious tasks that gobble up your time? I just found our lifesaver. This software reseller program. It's all about automating with AI, making operations slick and saving us some serious coin. I dove in, and guys, my productivity has gone through the roof. Jump on this, experience the ease, and save like a boss. Check it out now and see the magic happen.
Okay, so that is our AI avatar video that we just created in just a few seconds. If I want to use this video in an ad or my social media content, all I need to do is go into the ads. Let's say TikTok. You can see that all I need to do is type in a description for my ad. And if I scroll down here, you'll see AI avatar, and I can just select this video here to use in my ad. If I want to post this to TikTok, I can just click on the social media scheduler, go to TikTok, create a post, and then I can use my AI avatar video that we just created here. Now remember, you only have access to the social media planner when you click on the AI ads inside of our dashboard if you're one of our resellers. This is not yet available on your white label accounts. It is only available on the white label account that you have inside of our dashboard. The accounts that you have the ability to resell, like I said, they do not yet include this feature. This is just for you guys to use inside of our dashboard. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to go to the community tab. You want to click on today's date, and you can actually join me in the Zoom room for open office hours. If you're in our free community, you won't have access to the dashboard, but you will have the ability to go to the events calendar and join us for open office hours as well. If you're interested in joining our reseller program so that you can resell the AI Ads Manager inside of your own high-level account, you can sign up for high level here, and then you'll get a free membership in our program. You can also sign up for our reseller program here if you're a current high-level customer. If you're not interested in reselling software, you just want to take advantage of all the software we have available at one low price, you can sign up for the software bundle. And you can also join our free community here for open office hours, tools, and courses and more. And you can book a private consultation with me there. Thank you all so much for joining me, and I will see you in open office hours. Go make your vision a reality. Bye. If you're considering signing up for high level, or you're already a high level member, this is the video for you. I'm going to take you behind the scenes as a 6-figure a year business that I've built on high level without a team that allows me to work from home 4 hours a day, building the life, not just the business, that I always envisioned. Now let's dive in. And when you first create your high level account, it'll look very similar to this. The colors will be this like blackish gray color, and you'll have your high level logo up here. And this that we're looking at right now is the admin dashboard. So this is going to be where you manage all of your sub accounts. So a sub account is what we're looking at here. These are 2 different business accounts. And if I wanted to go into that business account and I wanted to, manage it as the agency admin, I could click here to switch into the sub account. Now, the problem that everyone has is they all have this. They all have the exact same tools. They all look the same, and they all function the same because it's all high level. So you either need to provide something on top of your high level account to differentiate your business from everyone else's, or you're going to race to the bottom on price. Okay. And that's certainly not what we want to do. So in my agency, of course, you'll see that I've rebranded it, and you'll see that I have all of the standard high level tools in this account, except when it starts here, I start adding my own tabs here. Okay, so this is what's going to make my agency stand out. This is what helps me to provide additional services to my clients. So I've added a coaching program. I've created an onboarding course here, and I wanted to add that custom menu tab there so that it's really easy for them to know where to get started. Okay. So I've gone in detail in my training and all of that. And of course, this that we're looking at right now is actually the community or course builder inside of High Level. So if we wanted to, or my user wanted to bounce around here, maybe take a course, this is what all of that looks like once you've gotten it all built out. Okay, so you can see for my program, I have the start here, and then I have all of the different tutorials and everything, and it looks beautiful. Okay, you also have an affiliate management system inside of the client portal, which is what houses the community and the courses. And then you see what the community looks like as well once you have it all built out. So I've created this, and I've just been able to put a tab here inside the dashboard so that all of my users can access the community and know where to get started. Now, we also have a tab here for the AI ads leads. So this is another white label software that I've created or that I've signed up for to provide for my agency clients. And you can see here, this is actually a really good software. You can just simply search for, in this example, marketing agencies in Indianapolis, and I can get all the contact information. I can even get the emails of everyone who works there. Interesting that this my agency pulled up here. But if I wanted to select all of these contacts here and I wanted to send them to my High Level account, or my users wanted to do that, they simply just select that and they can click here to send to the CRM, and then it goes right into the contacts. Okay, so we're creating solutions based off white label software that integrate with High Level and provide additional services. Now, the best part about software is that you do not have to spend time. Okay. This manages and runs itself. I'm providing incredible value for my clients or sub accounts, but I do not have to spend my time doing that. Okay. Now, the next thing that I also provide is an AI coach. This is another white label software. This is really, really great to help train the AI and create a brand profile. What's cool about this tool is that you can actually you just put in your website URL, and then it will help you create your avatar, your customer avatar. It'll tell you what their pain points are, and it stores this in your profile, and then you can create all of this content for your business, like email campaigns and all of that. And what's cool about this over something like Chat GPT is it will remember everything about your business to help you generate that content. All right. We also have the sales bot here. So the sales bot is an AI tool, again, that I've white labeled. This does integrate with High Level as well. And you can see the sales bot, the dashboard here. All of my members get access to their own dashboard where they can create unlimited AI bots. Now, High Level does have an AI bot. The difference is, though, this bot builder does not use AI credits, so it's unlimited. And High Level charges $97 for the unlimited. There is a pay per use plan, but having this bot builder allows my members the ability to resell unlimited bots, and it doesn't use any AI credits. So they're able to offer this as like a low barrier of entry, an entry level offer, and then of course upsell to the other tools. Now, also in our program, I do have another white label software that is the social autopilot. Now, what's cool about this tool is it allows you to create, again, you're training the AI for your business and with your brand colors and all that, and it allows you to create campaigns. It's going to pull in your brand colors and all that, and then customize the images and the website and all of that. And it's going to go ahead and publish to, like, if I agreed this was all good, then it would publish to all of my different channels. So it's not just creating the content, it's actually creating the post, and then will automatically post to all the different channels. So you can see that you can connect your accounts for Facebook and Instagram and YouTube and forgot all the other ones here. So we have Facebook, Google Business, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, TikTok, X, and YouTube. Okay, so you can create that content to all of those different platforms. And this is inside of my dashboard as well. Now you can also see that I've used another software that allows me to create 60 plus chat GPT prompts that my members can use to generate content. For example, we have a terms of service and a privacy policy. But you can see all of the things down here. But again, we just want to create these tools and resources for our members inside of our high level business. Okay. High level is a great foundation for a business, but it's not the entire business. Okay. And then, of course, I have a tab down here for our community. So I did have the get started that takes us right to the onboarding. That's just to make it a little bit more clear. But I always want our members to go to our community where they can receive support and all of that. I also, like I said, I do have the learning area here for all of my members to access the training. And then I also provide open office hours. You can see our events calendar in the community. So I am actually live Monday through Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And all of our resellers have the ability in our program to join me, not only in my live, but immediately following the live. I open up a Zoom room so you can join me and all of our community. And, there's great conversations there. But what's awesome is we're all using different tools in different ways, and we're able to provide experience and support to all of the members. Okay. So I always say, I am a great resource, I hope, but our community is definitely just priceless. All right. Now, the next thing that I also added into my high level agency is the task manager. High level does have a task manager, but this is more formulated like Trello. So it's a little bit easier to manage and to view all of your tasks and assignments. Now, all of the tools are great, but we also need resources. We also need a system. And one of the things that I love about High Level is we have the ability to create a perfect system for our clients inside of our High Level program or your business, whatever you want to make it, an agency or whatever you want it to be. And what I love is we're able to create these websites or all of these digital assets like courses and funnels and blogs and forms and quizzes and all of these things. And we can actually copy the entire account and have it automatically loaded into a new user's account as soon as they sign up. So as soon as Jane Doe signed up for this account, she automatically had in her account a course in the membership area. So you can see, and I do provide a course for all of our members because they have the ability to resell our AI manager here. So I definitely wanted to provide a course for them. So when their clients, sign up, they have a course that they can use that can be imported into the snapshot as well. And if you go into the sites area, you'll see there are 4 different funnels here. Close that out. There are 4 different funnels here. And of course, you can import all of these. But what I love about this system is if we go into edit, just want to show you a little back end cool thing here. You actually have the ability to not just upload the system, but you can actually customize it instantly as well. So I'm going to show you how. You'll see here that, this is a great template, and lots of us have signed up with programs that have templates, and we have to do a lot of customization, and we certainly don't want to have to spend our time as the agency doing it, and we don't want our customers to have to do that either. So you can add what's called custom values. If we scroll down here, you'll see that this button here, the color of the button is actually attached to a custom value. Okay, so if I click in here, you'll see this custom value. Now, you can build these custom values with not just colors, but with images, like I have the logo here. Now, if I go back All of these websites or all these funnels have all, all the custom values and all of that. So when I go back into this account now, in my onboarding instructions, all I need to do is tell the users where to upload their assets. Okay, so I'm going to go to the custom values here. We're going to go to the folders, the MVA done for you system, and all they need to do to change that, change the logo and colors, is just add their own here. So let's just do a little test here. I'm going to update these colors with a different brand. So I'm going to say the primary color is this here. And we're going to change the secondary color. Let's go ahead and update that. And we'll change the secondary color here. And if I wanted to, of course, update the logo, I certainly could do that. But just to save time, I'm going to just show you about the colors here, because you will definitely see the magic that happens and why High Level is so good with duplication. If I wanted to change the logos, all I'd have to do, you'll see here that it's attached to a custom value. I would just change the link. Okay. So let's go back now into the sites, and you'll see where it was blue and it's still kind of showing blue there. If I open up the page now, it's going to be all different colors. So now you'll see that it is purple and orange, which are my brand colors. You'll also see here, if we go to let's go to this funnel here. You'll see it's not just this one, it's all of the different funnels. They've all been updated. So you'll see that this website has also been updated, and you'll also see that not just, like I said, not just the colors here, but these actual images, they're SVG images, and you can have them update with the custom values as well. Okay. So I hope your mind is blown with the level of duplication that you're able to do instantly by utilizing the high level snapshots. So if you see what's happening here, we've had high level, the skeleton or the foundation. We've added additional, a community. We've added coaching. We've added additional software here. And we've also added funnels and websites and all of that. And now the whole purpose of my entire program and the business that I've built is to help others do exactly what I have done. Okay. So that's why I'm providing this done for you system to all of our members, and the licenses to rebrand and resell the AI Ads Manager, and also the ability to resell unlimited sales bots. And all of that is done inside of the high level agency, using it as the foundation of our business, not the entire business. Now, if you're ready to sign up for High Level, I'm going to give you a free My Vision Agency Starter Plan to help you get started. This includes our Done For You system that you can load into your own High Level account, our live group coaching 5 days a week, the ability to resell your own brand of our AI Ads Manager, and unlimited sales bots, among many other resources. So choose the High Level plan that works best for you, and I will see you inside.